Yes, there are 2 T's. $7,000. I'd like to buy a vowel. Okay. A. And there is an A. $900. R. We have 1 R. $600. S. I'm sorry, we can't give you an S. Nectus, your turn. $850.
An L.
Yes, a couple of L's, actually.
Can I buy a vowel?
Which would you like?
An E.
Yeah, there are a couple of E's, too.
I'd like to solve.
Okay.
No.
Play roulette.
I saw your face. You knew it.
Está
You
encima.
got it. This round because we have a trip for you to go to Vegas to our iHeartRadio music. This is like double the fun, Victus.
Get ready for an unforgettable weekend in the excitement of Las Vegas with premium tickets to the iconic iHeartRadio Music Festival presented by Capital One this September. Enjoy this 2-night concert event featuring today's biggest artists across all genres and formats with legendary performances from the biggest names in music and once-in-a-lifetime collaborations from the world's hottest artists. $8,800.
Yeah, couldn't go off.
I will see you there.
He didn't go off.
One of you is definitely going on to tomorrow's show to compete in the finale, and we've got the triple toss-up next. You've got $16,000, Nectus.
I can hear it.
We'll be right back.
Siren?
He doesn't go on TV.
I heard it from the couch.
I told you, you can hear it if not low high.
Meeting the attorney in person first.
Some starting stuff going on.
Stop.
Bring the dog out.
Hey, Pablo, let me sound out.
Go on. Go, Michelle, go on. Come on. Come on, Deani.
Oh my God. She said a table.